And this is why you don't miss our events. Free wheels and tires. That's crazy!
All right, April, so tell us how you won this free set of Road Force.
We went to a CHP event in Santa Fe Springs. I kind of like went by your booth and I was like, oh, what's that? It looked like there was wheels on there. And I spoke to Jeremy and he was talking about it and he was like, yeah, this is kind of the thing. You want to sign up? And I was like, yes, that's like one of my dreams to have some new wheels. I was like, totally. And then I got lucky. So it was actually very exciting.
Bam, just like that, guys. It is so easy. Usually if you come to one of our events, we are doing a huge giveaway with one or multiple sets of wheels, and all it takes is come down to the event, give us your name, phone number, and you can win yourself a free set of wheels. And that's what we're doing today with this Toyota RAV4.
So this is a 2018 RAV4, my baby, but and it's just like an LE. It's a regular LE, so there's nothing fancy in there, but
Okay, a good commuter.
Yeah, a good commuter.
Toyota, very reliable. So you're gonna go with 20s because she still wants to daily drive it. So 20s will give her a nice, it'll fill up the gap really good, and you can still daily drive it comfortably. And the wheels that April went with is the Road Force RF13. It's a very beautiful wheel. It's a mesh design, so it'll complement the RAV4 beautifully, in my opinion. Have you done any modifications to the vehicle?
No, right when I drove it off the lot.
So
It
bone
stayed the
stock, RAV4.
Yeah, pretty much.
Okay, putting wheels on a RAV4, it literally enhances the vehicle's entire look of it. It's almost like arts and art form. Putting wheels on it, you're changing the whole look of it. And I think the wheels that April chose is perfect. I mean, shout out to Road Force and Lexani for sponsoring this video, and the event as well. They're gonna make someone very happy. April's gonna get new wheels and tires. It's gonna change the whole look of the car. You're not gonna be like everyone out there anymore.
I know, I'm excited.
New wheels, I mean, it's just gonna look completely different. You have no idea how much wheels and tires can change the whole look of the car. And all we have to do is just put them on.
All right.
Let's go.
Let's get it.
All right, guys, so this is the reveal. They have actually only seen it online. They haven't seen it in person. So we're about to show them what the wheels actually look like. So let's show them.
Phineas, let's do it.
It's awesome!
Yeah, I
That
think
is
so too.
sick.
That's gonna look good.
Yeah, that's going on Mommy's car. Are you gonna think I'm cool now when we go to school?
You're
Drop you
rich.
off?
Yeah, you're gonna be rich.
You're gonna be rich. Let's not tell people that.
It has that OEM plus look to it, like a factory look, but just much better looking, you know, like just gonna look much better, enhance the whole look of the vehicle. What do you guys think?
Oh, it looks awesome. I mean, I never, honestly, just even looking at like my normal wheels and that, I'm like, oh my gosh, I didn't realize how fancy those look.
Yeah.
They're super fancy and nice. Yeah, but I agree. I do feel that they still kind of keep that original look to it. It just looks nicer, just elevated.
Exactly. Why don't we throw them next to the car, see what it's gonna look like?
Yeah.
And by the way, I just want to add one more thing. Road Force does make this wheel blank, so it's pretty much universal to make it fit any vehicle. BMW, Mercedes, a Toyota RAV4, a Camry, Honda Civic, to an S-Class, a S550, BMW 7 Series. Very universal, and it has pretty much can hit any car because of that mesh look. I think it looks good. Gloss silver with that silver machine finish on there. It's gonna be a good look for that RAV4.
Perfecto, bro. Okay, bam.
Yeah,
So that is gonna look so much cooler on the RAV4.
Yeah, it is. That's so exciting. Are you excited?
Yeah, I want to drive this car so I can be so rich.
Oh my gosh, Phineas. Stop it.
It's 3 inches bigger than stock, but it doesn't look that much bigger next to the car.
Exactly.
It really doesn't, yeah. I was actually thinking it was going to be too big when you said 20 because my stock is 17, but that looks amazing.
It's gonna be stylish for sure. I'm excited to see it with the tire on there.
Yeah,
20s will look fine.
We've even done 24s on this car, believe it or not. I think it's too big, but each to their own. But we do 20, 22, 24. I think 24 was too much, but that's what the customer wanted. But I think 20 is like that sweet number, like that sweet spot. It's not too big, not too small. It's like just the right number.
Cool tire.
So all that's left to do now is drill these wheels so that we put the lug holes in so that wheel can actually bolt onto the car. We got the CNC machines in the back, so let's go do that right now. So the wheels are on the cart, guys. we are taking them to the back of the warehouse where we do all of our CNC and machining.
For those that you don't know, we are not your typical wheel and tire shop. We are a one-stop shop. And what I mean by that is we custom drill the wheels blank. So we have the fastest turnaround time. And the reason why I say that, because we are in the middle of the wheel industry. What I mean by that as well is Santa Fe Springs sits right in the middle of like where Los Angeles to Orange County to Inland Empire and LA. So we're next to like all the wheel manufacturers you can think of, right? We pick up the wheels the same day, we drill them out the same day, and we get them out to you. In e-commerce, we are the fastest, and that's why we are able to do this as fast as possible, because we control our own drilling, and we have 4 CNC machines. 4.
See, any other shop, if this were to happen, the wheels come blank, now they have to get these wheels, send them to another shop to do the machining.
They send it out to a CNC machine shop, and then they have to charge the customer to get them drilled. We don't charge our customers. If you buy wheels and tires from us, we don't charge you any drilling fees, because we take care of our customers. We handle all the fees because we have all of our, show them, Gio. We have all of our machines here. All of our Haas machines are done in-house. Literally, our office is over there, our wheel and tire bay is here, our warehouse is here, and our CNC machines are right here. Everything done in-house.
Alrighty, here is the RAV4, and we've got it all up, taking the air out of the tires so that we can take out the original TPMS sensor and put them in the new wheels. Got to break the bead first. Then Jose is able to unscrew the original TPMS sensor, and then he's going to mark on it which side this sensor was for. So in this case, it's the driver's side in the front, so we don't lose track and the computer of the car does not go crazy when we put them back on. So now that we got the first one out, all we got to do is take out the rest of the 3 on the other corners of the car, and then we'll be good. As soon as the wheels are done being drilled, we'll throw everything together and mount it onto the car.
5 minutes later.
Did someone order freshly drilled wheels?
Ready to slap some tires on these road forces, balance them, and get them thrown onto the RAV4. Now, as you guys can see, these wheels are officially drilled. They are ready for lug nuts. Geez, look at that. That looks factory. That is perfect.
It's a Saturday, but we don't care, because when you need wheels, we're here.
Exactly. And that is the case right here with these road forces. So let's throw on some tires. Wheel number 1. Let's get that tire on there. All right, guys, so tire lube goes on the tire so that it slides onto the wheel nice and easy. Just like that, bro. Arms and legs, no tire spoons, thrown onto there in 10 seconds. Have you ever seen that before? Then we're gonna hook it up to the air compressor so it pops the beads, and then we'll be able to balance them. You'll hear the bead pop in just a second. Just like that. That is the sound of the bead popping. Now we know that the tire is officially mounted to the wheel. We're gonna throw it onto our balancing machine. Balancing machine is gonna do the rest for us right over here. It's gonna spin it, and it's gonna find out exactly where we need to put the weights and how much weight to put. Then once we attach the weights, we'll be good to mount it onto the RAV4.
So that is coming along real nice. How do you guys feel about it?
Oh my goodness, look how nice it looks, Phineas. What do you think?
Yeah, it looks very cool, and also it kind of looks like it's so awesome that I want to ride on it.
You want to ride on it?
Like it's a canoe.
Like a canoe. Okay.
Like in the movie WALL-E.
We are finally throwing the wheels on here, guys. Lug nuts go in. Bam, and we are good. Everything clears, and it looks so good. Now let's just get that other side done. Here we go again, same exact process with the rears. All that's left is some center caps on these wheels, and we'll be good to go. Bam, RAV4 is on the ground. And we have our mystery tire shine right over here, making this thing look so much better, like it just came off the dealer floor. It's official, bro. The road forces are officially on the RAV4.
Looks absolutely phenomenal, guys. I cannot wait to see what they think. They did see the wheels, but they have not seen the wheels on the car. So we're gonna go ahead, go on back to our waiting room, call them over, and let's see what they think.
You guys ready to check it out?
Yes.
The wheels are officially done.
Let's
Do it. All right, Phineas, show us what we got.
All right, go look, go look.
Awesome. Super cool.
Oh, did you actually look at it?
Okay.
Ultra cool. Ultra mega cool. Mega, mega, mega
Look at it though, dude.
What?
They're
Those
just
are
like,
awesome. Look at, they look shiny too.
yeah, I like the wheels too.
Are they rich?
Are they rich?
They look rich to me.
What are they? Are they rich, Phineas?
Nope.
What are they then?
They're chevron roller.
Chevron. I'm not sure.
I don't know what that is.
Maybe one day, in 10 years, you can tell us what that
I was
means.
gonna say the things the kids say. This we have no idea sometimes.
Looking good.
Pump it.
All we gotta do now is get it in the sun and see what it really looks like.
All right.
All right, let's
Nope.
back it up. Looks good, doesn't
Gosh,
it?
It looks so good.
Out of 10, what do you rate this setup, Phineas?
I would rate it $1,000,000,000.
$1,000,000,000 out of 10. Woo!
And that is how you turn a regular car into something more eye-catching. What do you guys think about the new RAV4 on the new RF13s?
Oh my
Super
gosh.
cool, and I want this to be golden.
Okay, this is awesome though, seriously. Like I don't even know what I imagined, but it's better than what I imagined. I love it. Thank you so much. Thank you, Audio City USA. Thank you, Lexani, and thank you, Road Force.
For those of you who have had your cars for a couple of years, you're thinking maybe I should get an upgrade, something like that. Before you do the upgrade, guys, wheels and tires, again, are the perfect way to do a refresh, because just because you're driving a normal car does not mean you have to be a normal person. Getting wheels and tires is going to completely change the whole look. You're going to break necks at stoplights because, I mean, it doesn't take a genius to know this is a good look on this RAV4, guys. So that about wraps up this episode, guys. If you want to see more content like this, us putting wheels on awesome cars, then make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and check out the other videos on our page, guys. We do stuff like this every single day, so make sure you stay updated. We'll see you guys soon.